In this video, I want to talk about this 18.5-inch self-propelled battery-powered lawnmower. This company, I'm assuming Litheli is how you say it. If not, I'm sorry. They reached out to me and they said, do you want a lawnmower to test out for free? And I said, absolutely, I'll make a video about it. So this is how it would come to your door, and we're gonna unbox it, see how easy it is to put together, and see how it works, and see how long the runtime is. I'm really curious to see, so let's open it up, take a look. I'm gonna look for damage, which hopefully there's none. Pieces, this is the bagger. You got a box right here. I'm assuming maybe the batteries or the charger. So that looks like the battery charger. And this box right here, which is pretty heavy, so this is probably the batteries, which it is. There's some USB-C cables. Look at that. That's a solid looking battery. So I'm going to put these on charge right away in hopes that we can use this right away. Right here you have the instructions and the cord for the charger. So it looks like you can either charge these with USB-C individually, or you can plug in the charger and charge them that way. So you have these prongs right here. You just line them up right here. Is charging this one. Okay, take this cardboard out, packaging. And we can take the mower out. It's not too heavy. In fact, it's 40.8 pounds. Down here. We can pull this up and just lock it in like this. This right here has a little groove. Assuming just tighten that. So then this extends out here. Lock this down. I guess it's assembled. That was easy. Let's attach the bagger. There's this piece that goes up. Make sure it's locked in here. And then these go around here. 2 and 3. So when you open this, you'll see this right here. This is if you don't want the bagger, but I want to set the bagger up. It says press and pull. So you kind of push in and pull like this at the same time, and it'll pop off. So if you did want it, you can put it back in basically the opposite way. Make sure it's locked in like that. But we want to set the bagger up. So now these right here sit in this right here on both sides. Like that. So these are not charged all the way, but I want to see how this thing works. You open this up and you can see you have a spot for 4 batteries if you want. And then we'll put these in. And they go in one way. Push down, they lock in. Like that. If you want to take them out. That's fun. There you go. The power is right here. And you can see it shows battery life. So these are the batteries that I put in. One is fully charged, one is 3/4 of the way out of the box. That's pretty good. And that right there are where the batteries are missing. It has different height settings. So when I lower this, it was on 6, then it just went to 5. And we'll go down. That's 2 and 1. It'll get really close. And that's nice because sometimes it's a pain to go down here and adjust the legs or the wheels. So we'll stay all the way up here. And then this is for the self-propulsion. This is how fast it can go. So this is 1 0.3 miles an hour, and then you can adjust that up. And it goes all the way up to almost 3 miles an hour. We'll start that all the way down. You don't have to use the self-propulsion, which is actually something that I like, because I plan on using this to get in kind of under bushes and stuff like that and just kind of go back and forth. So to start it, what you need to do is, this is a safety feature. So you hold this down and then you can pull these handles. It's quieter than a normal lawnmower. I say we charge the batteries all the way and I'll mow the lawn and see how long it lasts. Okay, we'll set a stopwatch. Batteries are all charged and we mow. And this is what I'm talking about, going under here. So I'm stopping it so I can lower it, so you're not really seeing it cut. So now it's on 4, so we'll see how that goes. See, this is something I can't cut on my ride-on. I have to stop to empty the bag. So we'll pause this timer and then pull this up. Cool. I don't have a bagger on my mower, so this will be nice if I want to actually collect all this, the grass clippings and the leaves and everything. So we'll go empty this. Oops, probably should have taken that, huh? Wow. I'm going to turn the self-propulsion all the way up. That's nice when I get to this hill. It makes it a lot easier, especially when the bag gets full. I'm gonna bring this back so I can suck up this grass. Start. Works good. Bag's full again. This is really useful around the apple tree where I want to avoid roots that I can't run over with my lawnmower. I end up taking out the weed whacker and doing it that way, but this will get a lot quicker. Let's put this back in and do the rest without the bagger. We got one bar that's blue, one bar that's red. It is nice that it tells you that though, because other battery powered stuff, sometimes you just don't know. Looks like that's it. 27 minutes. Well, it got pretty much my entire backyard. That's impressive. And that's only with 2 batteries. I didn't use the self-propel like for everything, just the hills. And it does take a second to kick in and to turn off. So when I got like under the bushes and under the trees, I had to kind of wait a second to let it turn off, and then I could kind of push and pull it to get under there. But it's light enough where I could just push it and it's comfortable, easy to use. So here's my final thoughts. This is a pretty sweet little battery operated mower. It ran for 27 minutes and I spent a lot of time going under the trees and the bushes. Like I said, that's what I think this will really be beneficial for. But if I wanted to, I could get 2 more batteries, and my front yard is about the same. So I could do my entire yard with this thing if I wanted to. Save gas and enjoy the day. Today is a little hot. But this easy surge mode right here, when you push this, apparently it has some kind of technology in it where in tougher conditions, like maybe if your grass is really high, it will work more efficiently. This also has an app. So I think the most beneficial thing on the app is you can troubleshoot with it. So if you're having a problem with this, you can hook up the app and figure it out. And maybe my most favorite feature is how quick and easy and how compact this gets. I'll take this out, put it in my shed, put it in my garage, and charge the batteries and be ready for the next time. So overall, I approve. Cool little mower. So thank you again to Litheli, and if you're interested in it, there it is. That's my thoughts. And I'll leave a link in the description too. And that will be an affiliate link. So if you click it, I'll get a small commission at no extra cost to you. And I appreciate it. Helps run this channel. So, thanks for watching.